mini bell pepper poppers. This is my way of updating a jalapeno popper. So I'm gonna make these with the baby bell peppers. They're kind of sweet. And the way I'm gonna add the heat is with this Fresno chili. So the heat is gonna go into the cream cheese and cheddar cheese filling, and then you're gonna get this sweetness from the baby bell peppers. So right down the middle, keeping the top on, that's how you're gonna eat them. So we're gonna take all the seeds out of the baby bells, and we're not taking out the seeds because they're spicy. We're just taking out the seeds because we want that creamy filling, not crunchy. So there's a couple things that need to be chopped into the filling. So we're gonna chop up this Fresno chili. So this Fresno is not quite as spicy as a jalapeno, a little bit sweeter. I think every 4th of July has involved a volleyball game. It's not gonna involve a volleyball game this year because it's raining. I love playing volleyball. I don't care so much about winning. I just wanna play and have fun and have it volley back and forth. But some of these people, they really wanna win. I think Lisa's a little bit like that. She has played plenty of volleyball games with us and she wants to win. Very funny. This is gonna go in the filling, which is going to have cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and some bacon. So let me get a bowl and make the filling. We've got some cream cheese already softened. It's gonna make it much easier to mix together. Get the chili peppers in, and I like putting 2 different kinds of cheeses in. We got the creamy cream cheese, and then the sharp cheddar. Let's chop up some bacon that I made earlier. I want them chopped up enough so that when I put this mixture into a pastry bag, I don't stop up the hole. I love the smokiness, the saltiness of bacon. Okay, this is our filling. Just need to mix it together. Add a little bit of milk. I think that should loosen it up just enough. Right now, I just want to get all the cheese and the bacon and the pepper mixed together. Get a little salt and pepper in here. Let's get these mini baby bell pepper poppers stuffed with this creamy stuffing. But the way to do that is you're gonna put all of this in a pastry bag. And the easiest way to fill a pastry bag is to get yourself a smaller vase. And this is gonna help the pastry bag hold up. And if you don't have a pastry bag, you can use a plastic bag and just snip off the corner. Go ahead and get it in. Make sure you get all that filling in there. I'm gonna give the pan a little spray. That way it won't stick. And I like to spray over the sink all the time, otherwise it goes everywhere. So I'll grab the pastry bag, take the bag with the very big opening, and really close it off. You want to get as much of that filling down to the bottom as possible. Now it's time to give it a little snip, snip. You want it big enough to make sure all the filling comes out, but not too big that it goes everywhere. So you're gonna grab one of these and just get a little bit down the middle, because what's gonna happen is once you get them in the oven, it's all gonna spread out and it will fill up as it melts. Filled up that yummy, cheesy filling. And we'll get the poppers in. 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Oh yeah. Today's menu is a colorful explosion of flavor. Like, just look at these baby bell pepper poppers. I'm going to plate them up. Hopefully one will cool off in time so I can try one. They look so yummy. So I'll just get all these guys plated. They're just starting to cool off enough so that I might be able to taste one. Okay, I have to try one. I can't wait any longer. That's good. Sweet, spicy, smoky.